Welcome to Miss Wow. Today we spotlight two shades for mothers of the bride, burnt sienna and rose gold. These colors glow with warmth, perfect for a day filled with love. We will cover styles, fabrics, and easy tips to feel elegant and comfortable. Keep watching for shopping ideas and outfit pics. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's unlock wedding magic with color that flatters and photographs beautifully. Burnt sienna is a rich, earthy brown with warm red notes. It looks lovely on many skin tones, especially warm or neutral complexions. Choose satin, chiffon, or crepe to show soft movement without cling. For daytime, lighter burnt sienna reads fresh. For evening, deeper tones feel luxurious. Add a gentle V-neck or scoop neckline. Sleeves or a matching shawl bring coverage without heat, keeping you polished and relaxed all day. Rose gold blends pink with metallic warmth. It shines without shouting, making it perfect for a joyful ceremony. Look for sequined lace, liquid satin, or beaded tulle that catches light gracefully. If the venue has bright lighting, choose finer sparkle. For candlelit receptions, richer shimmer photographs well. A boat neck or illusion neckline adds elegance. Pair with nude or blush heels, and keep jewelry delicate to let the dress glow. Let's talk shapes. A-line dresses flatter most figures, skimming the waist and floating over hips. Sheath styles offer sleek lines for modern settings. T-length works beautifully for garden or daytime weddings. A wrap dress gives adjustability and comfort during long events. For extra coverage, try flutter sleeves, lace sleeves, or a light bolero. Define the waist with a gentle belt or seaming, keeping structure supportive while still allowing natural movement. Accessories finish the look. With burnt sienna, choose gold or bronze jewelry, a neutral clutch, and warm-toned makeup. With rose gold, pick blush-toned studs, a slim bracelet, and a champagne clutch. Closed-toe pumps suit formal halls, block heels suit lawns. Add a soft wrap for cool evening breeze or church aisles. Keep hair polished but relaxed, like a low chignon or soft waves, so the color story remains the star. Match shade and fabric to season and venue. For summer gardens, choose light chiffon in dusty burnt sienna or pale rose gold. For fall barns or rustic halls, deeper burnt sienna in crepe feels grounded and chic. For black tie ballrooms, metallic rose gold in satin or beaded mesh shines. Balance sparkle with the bride's theme. When in doubt, ask for swatches, hold them in daylight, and check photos before deciding. Burnt sienna and rose gold give mothers of the bride timeless charm and easy styling. Choose the shade that suits your undertone and venue. Try flattering shapes, add thoughtful accessories, and prioritize comfort. Your joy will shine as brightly as the couple's. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission, and you pay no extra cost.